Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through a handy new privacy feature on WhatsApp Web for PC, disabling link previews. This is a great way to keep your chats cleaner and prevent unintentionally sharing information. So, what are link previews? When you send a link in WhatsApp, it usually shows a little summary of the web page, including the title, description, and maybe a thumbnail image. While this is convenient, sometimes you might not want that preview to appear. Maybe the content is sensitive, or you just prefer a cleaner look. Here's how to disable them on WhatsApp Web. 1. Open WhatsApp Web. Head over to your computer and open WhatsApp Web in your browser. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. 2. Click the gear icon. Look to the left side menu. You'll see a few icons there. Find the gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to open up your WhatsApp Web settings. 3. Enter privacy. In the settings menu, you'll see a few options. Click on privacy to access your privacy settings. This is where you can control various aspects of your WhatsApp privacy. 4. Check disable link previews. Inside the privacy menu, look for an option called Advanced. In this section, you'll find Disable Link Previews. Simply click the checkbox next to it to enable the feature. And that's it. You've successfully disabled link previews on WhatsApp Web. Now, when you send a link, it will appear as a simple URL without the preview. Keep in mind that this only affects the links you send. You'll still see previews for links that other people send to you. Also, this feature is available in both the app and the web version of WhatsApp. In the mobile app, you can find it by going to Settings, then Privacy, then Advanced, then Disable Link Previews. This setting adds an optional layer of security to protect your IP address. Disabling link previews is a small change that can make a big difference in keeping your chats private and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other WhatsApp tips and tricks.